Hey guys, so we're back with part 3 of the OS ticket, and we're gonna go over the ticketing system and the life cycle of how tickets work and how you can resolve tickets. And let's start by going back to our admin panel, and we're gonna create some help tools, agents, or manage. Okay, help tools, and we're gonna add equipment request. We have onboarding already, and let's see what we have so far. So computer issue, equipment, and let's add a section for updates. So updates, software updates. So we are going to have 3 tickets, one for marketing. So we're gonna have marketing at osticket.com. This is gonna be Lisa at marketing, and she's gonna need software update. So software update, and here we go, marketing Lisa. Unable to create a ticket. Okay, so yes, we need to create or issue. So we're gonna just put software update new. I just put software update for new computer. Okay, I got a new Mac and I don't know how to use it. How do I link this computer to mobile iron so that you can do the updates? And let's create just a new recruit, HR. And let's put new recruit, onboarding. Okay. New recruit. I have a new recruit starting next week, and we need to order his equipment and just order his equipment and issue software licenses. Maybe he's using Zoom. He could be a developer and he needs license for VS Code or just normal LastPass, or just to get onto Okta. So let's go back to our agent panel. So we have the tickets right now. If you try creating a ticket and it doesn't load, you just restart OS and it should pop up after that. So we have the software update for the new computer. So we're gonna let Lisa know that please use this link. Imagine this is the link for her to update her software. So mobileiron.com. and we should see you in the dashboard once it is completed, and we will get your computer up to date as soon as possible after. So it'll be low for now because it's not really a rush because she can still do her normal work. Department, it's still gonna be support. Yeah, support service layer agreement. We're gonna put it to like 8 hours. By the end of the day, she should be able to do this, and assign it to moi, and I can get this done. So, and we'll just put this as resolved. Perfect. So this is also a new recruit. They want it to be done ASAP, so we're gonna put it as high. It's not really an emergency, but it's high because we need this guy to have his equipment by next week. We have severity within 4 hours, and I can assign it to Adam. So Adam has this ticket, so he'll be able to go forward with this. So let's see if there's any more tickets available. Okay, hi, Adam has this, so PC will not turn on. So let's go back to this and we'll say let's see what this ticket says. Troubleshoot, we could not get this open, manager approved, so you can get, alright, so the manager approved the new computer. So let's say good day. The manager approved the new computer, so we will have it shipped to you within 2 business days. And if you don't receive it by that time, please contact us with this ticket number. And the ticket number is here. Font bold, text color, format normal. Okay, this ticket number, and let's make it black color. Okay, I can't change the color, but I probably can in HTML. Oh, because it's a link. So let's take off this href title ticket, and it should be still in the span, and there we go, because it was a link. So, and then we save, resolved, save as post. Okay, so let's go. So we don't have any more tickets. Let's go to Adam and see if he can deal with the new recruit. So let's have Adam at 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Adam has this ticket and we're gonna see what it says. So created by Melanie, updated by me, by Giovanni, and Giovanni assigned it to me, who is Adam. Severity high, support. So I can't edit this. So onboarding, it's gonna be onboarding. And let's see, I have a new recruit starting next week and we need to order his equipment and issue software license. Perfect. I will get this done ASAP. You should receive an email with your software license within 8 hours. Within, I'll say 4 hours, as per the severity level. "48 hours. If you did not receive by the date specified, please contact me as soon as possible." Okay, so I'll get this done and close this for now because I sent him his email. Perfect, so Adam has no tickets, and that's literally how you do the ticketing system and create tickets and reassign and assign tickets and also do the severity level. And so yeah, that's it for now.